Captain of the ship. Where are we going?
Straight.
Yeah, baby!
Hell yeah, that's a
Let's check him out.
fish.
What?
Oh!
Dude.
My man!
No.
Woo! Jacob's knuckle deep in this catfish.
Yeah, you can tell. See how fat her belly is?
Oh, poor girls. We're sorry.
Thank you.
Get back there, babies. Hey! We got another one!
What a beaut.
And this one hasn't been sleeping around. Good shit, dude.
Fuck yeah.
Hey-oh! Careful.
That frog is crazy, dude. Oh. He just dinked. He can't hold his breath forever. Ah!
Got him!
Let's pick up our trash, huh? Get that. If we're lucky, we'll run into a raccoon and his family. You're not even ready, Jared.
Oh my! I can't believe I'm doing it.
No way, this one.
Okay, when you cock it, make sure you lock it.
Bring it back.
No, I'm saying when you cock, stay right there.
Set.
All right, for the boys
For the boys.
For the boys.
and girls.
And girls.
Chug, chug, chug.
You soaked my arm. I want you to know more than half of that beer was going down my arm.
Jared, what do we got an issue with right now?
Fucking raccoon, bro. Give me a shot.
We got a fucking raccoon, and we're surrounded. There's honestly probably 3, 4, 5 of them. We don't know. We thought about shooting him, but we decided that's somebody's baby raccoon, so we can't kill him. Got him with the chihuahua. Oh, it's on now. These fuckers took our chips.
I see the eyeballs. Damn, those are his now, I guess. He's coming out to the left.
Is he really?
No.
Look at this motherfucker.
That was gold.